Hey everyone, one of Motorola's most attractive foldable phones to date is RAZR 60 Ultra, which stands out in the expanding market for flip-style smartphones thanks to its unique features and combination of stylish design and utility. From a design perspective, RAZR 60 Ultra comes in 4 striking finishes: Cabaret, Mountain Trail, Scarab, and Rio Red. Specifically, Scarab model has an Alcantara coating, a plush, suede-like synthetic material that enhances durability and grip in addition to seeming opulent. Its durable and tactile exterior makes it stand out, even when exposed to water. Here, build quality is standout feature. Phone feels reassuringly sturdy because its body is made of titanium for hinge and aerospace-grade aluminum for the frame. It is still lightweight and comfortable to use at only 199 grams. With an adjustable refresh rate of up to 165 Hz and a brightness of 3000 nits, exterior 4-inch POLED cover display is shielded by ceramic-coated Gorilla Glass. This enables fast interactions without opening the phone. You can play games, set up lock screen themes, browse apps like Instagram, and use it in desk display mode. A 6.9-inch inner display with the same 165 Hz refresh rate and vibrant colors is seen when the phone is open. Although there isn't much material in this aspect ratio, this display's practically bezel-less design and 22:9 aspect ratio make it great for multitasking, gaming, and scrolling. With its brilliant colors and fluid animations, the screen is stunning for watching media, and its 2 speakers provide an incredibly satisfying stereo experience. The RAZR 60 Ultra boasts top-tier performance thanks to its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. It manages demanding tasks like gaming with ease and is quick and responsive. With a dedicated Moto AI button, users may access Motorola's built-in AI assistant. With a 4,700 mAh battery that lasts for roughly 6 to 7 hours, the battery life is good. Users have a lot of options thanks to its capabilities for 68-watt wired charging, 30-watt wireless charging, and even 5-watt reverse wireless charging. 350 megapixel sensors, main, ultra-wide, and selfie, make up the equally useful camera configuration. Through the cover screen, the rear cameras may function as front-facing cameras when closed, enabling better selfies. Group selfies and scenic photos are enhanced by ultra-wide images, which are remarkably wide, even broader than those from top competitors like Galaxy S24 Ultra. Even if it's not the best in its class, the image quality is respectable, particularly for a folding gadget. Even in 4K, stabilization is dependable, and lens changes are smooth and fast. RAZR 60 Ultra has a special feature for daily use. It is sturdy enough to withstand normal wear and tear, small when folded, and fashionable in hand. Although it won't necessarily overtake conventional flagship slab phones in terms of camera quality or ultra-premium features, this gadget is a great choice for people who appreciate both a fun form factor and flagship-level performance. To put it briefly, the RAZR 60 Ultra is a rather comprehensive foldable device. Motorola has produced a gadget that is both futuristic and grounded, fashionable and useful. It is clearly a strong competitor in the high-end Android market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.